Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to today's GMT update. So we've seen some nice good pumps with GMT. It seems like it's not cooling down, right? So at this point of time, it's like you are crossing this, given level of resistance, and you're holding that resistance, the all-time high. And this is exactly what I've been talking about in the previous videos as well. So as long as you're holding this level, that is going to be amazing. Okay, it's really going to be amazing for continuation to the upside. That is exactly what you want to see at this point of time. So if it keeps on holding, then you're potentially going to go and you're going to pass through even $4.1 and potentially continue to the $5 region. Okay, so that would be something that is very possible. So what I'm going to say is take the fib retracement and let's look at the next impulsive move if you're really interested to hold this level. So from there to there. Now I still think that GMT might be really interested before taking a break to go to the $4.44, okay, because that's a technical target that is supposed to be met after crossing the 0.618. So I do always say this, that you cross the golden ratio and you're potentially really good to go to the 1.618 to the $4.44. And yeah, so maybe there's still a nice good chance to go to the upside. But is that guaranteed? No, we're not guaranteed anything. But the chances are likely to go there, but not 100%. But we're likely. Now, I'm still going to bring one more thing, and that is these candlesticks that you see right over here. And these candlesticks are potentially forming known as TRISTAR, the three candlesticks that you see back to back. So when they form in an uptrend, and they could be bearish to go to the downside, remember that, okay? So you have to be careful of this TRISTAR to play out. So what I'm going to tell you is I'm going to go to Google, and I've already Googled this one for you, so you can see how the TRISTAR looks like. It's just like a 3 doji looking like this, and they appear after a green candle to the upside. They indicate reversals to the downside. So right now you do have like almost the same situation with the TRISTAR, and there could be some bearishness in it. If Bitcoin starts to dump, it could even drag this one to the downside, and you go to the downside as well. But it does make sense still to actually go to the 4.4, because by the end of the day we cannot even say that this is going to play out as long as you're holding the last all-time high right there as support right now, which was resistance. You've already broke out of it, come back and test, and you're already finding support right over there. So as long as you're not losing support, you're still good to go to the 4.4. If you start to close below the support, then that's TRISTAR is going to be in effect, unfortunately. So it is what it is. Let's see how it plays out in the next coming days. And that's it for today's update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.